Okay, so there's this thing called synesthesia, which is basically this condition in your brain where one sensory pathway leads automatically to another sensory pathway. Like say the number 1 is supposed to be blue and the letter Q is supposed to be yellow. And that's called grapheme color synesthesia. However, there are many different other types of synesthesia, one of them called number form synesthesia, what I have. I don't personally associate colors with numbers, however they go a specific way in my head. 1 through 10 go horizontally, 10 through 20 go vertically, and they continue to go horizontally for every 10 numbers back and forth zigzag all the way to 100, and I will not keep going because every 10 digits has a specific direction it goes. Don't argue with me. Other forms of synesthesia include lexical gustatory synesthesia, in which when you say a certain sound or word, you'll automatically taste a certain taste on your mouth, as well as personification of certain words. Usually this comes in forms of days in the week or months. So you might think April is an angry month, while May is a very nice month. But don't get this mixed up with like connotations you have of things that happen during that month. So my birthday is during December, and so I think December is a really happy month, but that's not the same thing. It's like the month itself has a personality. They've also found that synesthesia often comes in clusters. Like if you associate certain colors with letters, you'll often also associate certain colors with months. About 4% of the population is thought to have synesthesia, they think, but it's really hard to tell who has it and who doesn't, because people who have it don't know that they have it until they realize they have it. To people who have it, it just seems like the natural way things are, but in reality, all of our brains are just really weird. There are also some studies showing that synesthesia may be genetic, but again, they're not really sure at this point. And this idea of synesthesia brings up the question, is my reality the same as your reality? Like what I see as blue, is that the same thing as you see as blue? Or is what I see as blue what you see as red? Or a completely different color that I have not even imagined in my wildest daydreams? Anyway, so currently one of the main researchers on this topic of synesthesia is David Eagleman. He wrote a book called Wednesday is Indigo Blue, Discovering the Brain of Synesthesia. And I will be seeing him speak in 2 weeks, and we'll probably be getting to meet him. So, isn't that a coinky dink? So Alan, I hope this helped answer some of your questions, and I will see you tomorrow. This video is also supposed to be about Doctor Who, but it's not because I want to talk about synesthesia instead. But really quickly, I didn't really like the Monster Terrors episode this week. I thought it was kind of boring, and I hope this season gets better. Trox.